Hi there, Roxy here, and today I'm sat here in the woods on my own near a dried up river, listening to the birds in the peaceful quiet. And today I want to discuss solo camping with you guys, especially for us women. A lot of people won't do it because they're concerned of their welfare, but this is where I'm going to teach you how to do it confidently and the Silent Legion way. And of course, my Diet Coke is with me every time.
The world isn't safe. It never was. You don't wait for chaos, Dwight. You train for it. You prep. You plan.
So one of my first rules that I always have is to tell somebody where you're going. Drop them a location pin, a text with your phone. Always tell someone your route and your ETA home. It's just safety really, just to make sure. And you can always drop in every so often with whoever you've appointed, your nominee. It's just common sense really. So according to Mountain Rescue in 2023, 60% of the missing people were walkers or campers that didn't tell anybody a planned ETA or route, which delayed finding them by hours, even days. So just let somebody know where you're going. So why camp solo? Well, when your life's hectic, busy, sometimes it's nice just to escape everybody. Gives you time to reflect, think, and it's powerful going solo as a woman, especially. But also, as you're on your own, you're your own medic, your own survivor, your own therapist, and you have to do everything on your own logically. So you have to be aware of your environment and your surroundings. So another factor, know your surroundings, where you are. I mean, it looks lovely and dry now, this river. I've been here when it's been flowing really fast. So check the weather conditions, make sure there's no rain, snow, your heat, you've got to take in consideration. Stay away from rivers like this, which could flood. So just know your surroundings and where you're camping. Stay away from animal paths, maybe, that you know they're going to come through. So location for me, I tend to pick spots that are out of the footpath way, kind of secluded, a bit like this. So the chance of people stumbling upon you is quite low. It gives you peace of mind. Also, be very vague. If someone asks what you're doing, say you're meeting friends or your partner's about. So yeah, just don't advertise where you are and just keep low key really. So, and always trust your gut. If the place gives you weird vibes or you feel uncomfortable, just move on. If, your instinct's there for a reason, the instinct is there to keep you safe. So don't feel afraid to move if you need to. So a few bits of kit I always bring with me when I go solo camping, just for my own personal safety really, is a torch or a head torch that's got a red filter on it, just to kind of limit your light exposure really. Power packs with your cables to make sure your phone's kept charged. Spare socks, because if you're like me, I hate having wet feet. A whistle is always handy, just in case you feel a bit uneasy. You can always blow it. Should someone hear it, they kind of know that you need help. And also, it may be a bit loud, but I always carry my panic alarm with me. So it does the job. So this is what it does. So as you can hear, it is very loud and it will scare anybody. So know your laws. In Scotland, it is legal to camp, guided by the access code. So in England and Wales, it's technically not legal without the permission of the landowners, but people still do it discreetly and under the radar. Also, if you're going to do it, make sure you leave no trace. Only have a fire if it's safe to do so. And also, don't forget, don't advertise it unless it's to your appointed person. Also, I know it sounds a bit of a weird one, but being confident really helps. Yeah, so it shows that a confident person is better than any tools or weapon you can have. So if someone comes across to you, make it kind of look like you're blending in. Don't try not to stand out. Always look people in the eyes if you're talking to them. So if you're thinking of camping solo, do it. Be brave, but just prepare because it matters. So having a confident body language deters opportunist threats. So studies say, so more than any tool or weapon that you can carry. So nighttime routine, we have got a video coming up basing on this. So just keep your eyes peeled and that will be coming up shortly. So solo camping for me is about freedom, but also you need to be prepared for risks that could happen, etc. So yeah, for me, I always have my trusty Diet Coke with me wherever I go. So we have a friendly Facebook group, so please come along. We've got all different walks of life in our group. There's no judgment. Everyone asks questions. We all help each other out. So please come along to the Facebook page, which is the Silent Legion, and join our friendly community. So if you're thinking of camping solo, do it. Be brave, but just prepare because it matters. So if you like the video, hit like and subscribe so you get notifications of new videos coming up, and join the group on Facebook. There'll be more videos of kits, meals that you can take camping. There's lots of videos in the pipeline coming up. So, and also, ladies, if you have done solo camps, I would love to hear any tips you have out there. So I'd love to hear from everybody. So yes, thank you.